Alright, this is my now running BM709 from Goldstar, and I got this for free from a guy. You've seen the pictures at the start of the video, and basically I just said, have you got anything that's not working, maybe give you a couple of dollars, and he just handed it to me and said, have that for nothing, because it was broken. Well, I fixed the battery terminals, cleaned them up, and then it started running. It seems to be an early one. First of all, there's no external antenna, which is right for these models. On the side, you can see it's got the input for 6-volt jack. On the back, it's got the full-length battery compartment, and also it's got a sticker instead of the usual squarer kind of sticker. And it says 7 transistor, 2 diode, made in Korea, and it's the model BM709. So there we are, it's now up and running. I've rebranded it myself because a lot of these were actually branded by different names. So I've called this a Cider 2732. So also on the inside it's got an air variable capacitor, which I've never seen on a radio, and very lucky to get that. Normally it's this type of variable capacitor you find in the radio, and this one's got an air one, so I'm very pleased. Okay, so there it is running now, the Goldstar BM709.